kiss is for Running Man. The second kiss is for Patty Perkins and Rose. And the third kiss is for Alison Harry-Shot. We had 2,000 subscribers, so I'm going to give 5 little t-shirts away. If you want me to buy me an ice cream, the link is down below. Hello guys, so today we're back with a new video. Let's start. And I finished school, it was really fun on school. I was chilling with a lot of friends and we laughed a lot. So it was really fun. Let's go. And this is, by the way, nightlife in Benidorm. So we can go around bars and enjoy the nightlife a little bit. Personally, I love the night way better than the day. It's too warm and I mostly stay inside in the day. So I prefer going out at night. Let's go. A shirt that's way too big. Look, so it's really funny. I love wearing t-shirts that are actually too big for me. I like them. Cool stuff. Jumping jacks, guys. So if I listen to music, I automatically start dancing and it's really weird. But it's fun. Also kind of fun. And Halloween is coming up soon. I could choose the same on my school. I'm allowed to help and choose the same since I love horror stuff. So it's going to be an exorcist scene. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh. None of that as well, but oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I love Halloween, guys. So let's keep going. To go and party. Guys, what do you think? Should I do more videos at night or during the day? It's really cool at night than during the day, but I prefer nighttime. It's really fun and there's a lot more people. So yeah. And during the day I have school, so I actually love school. I'm going to learn electric guitar this year. I cannot wait for that neither. So let's go. And guys, it's insane how many people are over that side. So we are going to go to that side and see what's going on. Just smack down or fall down. It's freaking hilarious. There's also a lot of people. That you see before you pass on the video, I actually need to take those pictures actually. So a lot of people try to jump in the picture and do like funny faces, and I just think, let me take my picture for the thumbnail. I don't have all night, yeah, I do have all night, but you know, I just want to do West too. I can give you so. I did a lot of pictures like just a few minutes ago. I went like this, like deep inside, and I do really funny pictures. Let me know of all of the thumbnails, what was the funniest picture for you guys? Ooh, I have no idea. I did a lot of funny ones, so let me know. I love that song. It's the song Baby Cotton Bell. Yeah. Yep. Guys, listen to that song. That's actually a famous song. And I always do a joke. And my sister does something like funny or say something, I always say, "Baby, calm down." Just as a game, just like playing with her. And that's why I like that song so much. It's really funny. You can move.
Really jealous.
Really funny before I actually go serious again. The laugh that you just said, that was actually me, because there was something really funny that I just couldn't laugh, that I couldn't stop laughing about, so it was really funny. Guys, a lot of people ask me in the comments, comments, what can you do by the strips here? You can see a lot of shows, weird shows, funny shows. You can do everything. Probably dance a lot until you break your legs. That's especially by Deborah Benidorm. Also, fun fact, you can see a lot of fights. Who doesn't want to see that? Okay, just kidding, but you could have a chance if you're going out here that you probably meet a fighter. Or a concussion going on. So it's always really fun to see. Where I live, there's always a crazy dude, always looking for trouble. So I go in the morning, I wake up, I see that, and I laugh my butt off. Because it's so funny, he just goes in totally drunk, doesn't think right, and is acting stupid. So I always laugh my butt off. But let's go, guys. started singing. So that was actually I have a lot of videos about that. You can still check it out. It's still on my YouTube channel. So go check it out after this video. And it's really fun to see when I was little. So there you know it. This is the number one bar that I went when I was a little girl. No, I love it. Let's go. Guys, do you remember when I used to point at a t-shirt and it would say something real on it just like this? Look guys, how many people? Oh my God. I have look how many people. Guys, the black chicken is renovating and it looks awesome. And it always reminds me of a dance studio. Looks actually really cool. Let me give you a little tour. This was weird. There used to be a youth dance floor. It's now good toilet. Guys, they're trying really hard to finish this for tomorrow. They're going to work a lot of time and they're good. They're going to do great. It's going great. The back chicken looks awesome. So far it looks like a dance studio, but I think I already said that. But when it's open, you should definitely go check it out. It's really cool. I don't think it's Christmas yet, but this looks actually nice.
24 years old.
This actually reminds me of Christmas. Yeah, a little bit. about, a like button. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Adios.